Hi, this is Francis from Good Team, and I'm going to show you how to create and use snippets in HubSpot. So if you go to your homepage on HubSpot, whatever your homepage looks like, where you're going to want to navigate to access snippets is conversations and snippets. For those that don't know, a snippet is a command that you set up that you can quickly access through emails, tickets, contact records, notes, that sort of thing. So I have created a test snippet, which I will show you here. So when I'm in a email or a service ticket or wanting to take a note on something, if I do hashtag did you know, this pre-written snippet will appear in that document. So you can use personalized properties like first name, last name, company name, any properties that you've come up with, as well as formatting, and this saves you a lot of time to not have to rewrite the same thing over and over. So the way to create a snippet is to click Create Snippet, and then you're just going to fill in this information. This is the internal name, so prospects won't see this. Snippet text, again, you can use personalization tokens, a whole lot of action here that you can do. So that it pre-populates for you. And then again, you're going to name it something that's memorable for you so that you can quickly access it whenever you need to. So again, I created this test snippet. This is a snippet is what I called it, using context first name and then the company name. Gave them a little bit about what we do at Good Team, and then have named it Did You Know? So I'll show you what it looks like when you go in to send an email. If you have the HubSpot sales extension set up for your Outlook or Gmail, you can also use this there. But for the sake of staying in HubSpot, I'll show you what it looks like if you're working within HubSpot. So when you go to a contact record, you can send an email directly from the contact record by clicking Create an Email here. And then the way to access the snippets is going down here to Insert, and then you're going to select Snippet, and all your snippets that you've created show up here. There you go, Brian. And I heard that HubSpot, which is that other property token I used. So then all you got to do is create a subject line and send that email. And you've got yourself a little time-saving hack. If you have any questions or have some other ways that you're using snippets, comment down below. If you have something that we can help you with, let's chat.